Hi everybody, this is G Lynn from the Find the Money, Say the Money video blog. I just want to help my fellow business owners. I know a lot of you probably have heard of Bitly. It's been around for a very long time, but I want to explain you the reason why you should have it. I do not get any type of compensation for promoting this. I'm just going to show it to you because it's something that I really believe is a great business product. Bitly helps you to shorten your URLs. You know, long URLs sometimes can make people a little apprehensive. So what Bitly does, it does shorten URLs. So if you put your URL, go to create, go to link, put in your URL, and it will shorten it. And look at what it shows you. You can create 1,000 more links this month. That's with the free plan. Now, if you need to do more than 1,000 links, then you need to go to the upgraded plan. But most people I know don't need no 1,000 links. So for most people, this is actually the plan that's going to work best for them. Also, Bitly has added the QR code. Again, what you do, you click on QR code after you put in your link, and it will create a QR code for you. You can download it and print it. Now let me show you an easier way to get a QR code. Most people do not notice any website you go to, if you click on that little share button right here, when you click right here, create QR code, will let you create a QR code to just about any website. Of course, you're going to download it, print it out. And the advantage of having a QR code is, I go to a lot of vendor shows, and when I go to those shows, a lot of times people run out of their business cards. You can put your QR code in a picture frame, put it at your table, and if you run out of business cards, you can tell people to use their phone to scan the QR code, and that way they'll have your information for your business, such as your website. So this is actually a great business tool, and it's on just about every site that you have. Believe it or not, it's even on the Bitly site. You can even do it on the Bitly site. So every site has this. Most people are not aware of it. And just go create QR code. Now, I am going to show you something that I actually do get compensation for. It is All-in-One Profits, and I'm going to explain you why. I'm going to show you why I like this product. And yes, I do get compensation for this one. So, not worry about y'all seeing this because it doesn't show my, it does not show my password. So, I don't care about you all seeing my username because it doesn't show my password. Okay. Now, it does have an autoresponder and all that, but what I love is Splash Builder. And let me show you why I love the Splash Builder. I use this. I don't really use the autoresponder because I haven't really been building my list lately. I used to use the autoresponder on my old All-in-One Profits account. I don't know, somehow I got the account got suspended because I forgot. I'm gonna be honest, I forgot about it, and because I forgot about it, if you don't pay within 30 days, they suspend the account. And once I realized the account had been suspended, I didn't have time to. It was after the time that I could pay it to have it reinstated. So I had to open a new one. So that's why I don't really have a list on it. But let me just show this to you, kind of let you see what I'm talking about. These are some of the things you can do. As you can see, this is wonderful because this is my splash page. I'm going to show you another one that I have. Now this one I really love right here. When I did my cashback page, I was able to put a bunch of different things on the same page. When you click on it, it does take you to where I need you to go. It's just an awesome thing, and I love it for that. And it's easy. It's extremely easy to do. And if you're worried about having pages that I'm sorry, that Facebook does not like. They actually have alternative links for each one, and it actually says use this page, these pages for Facebook. So you can use these pages on Facebook. And like I said, you can put a bunch of different things on any page. I love it for that because again, you can also, like I said, if let me show the one for, like I said, the NetSpin one I showed you, which was the YouTube video, and then underneath it I was able to put the NetSpin information. And I could have also, because it does have an autoresponder, I could have put the autoresponder in there. So let me see if I can go right here. Let me show this to you. I'm just going to put test right here just so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Create splash page. It gives you a bunch of different options. So you could put in your list building information to do the autoresponder. You can put your video here and then still do the list page autoresponder. So some people call them splashes, some people call squeeze pages, but they are actually a great tool again for when you're doing online marketing. Let me see some more stuff that's going to show. Okay. They have their own video tube. I don't have that because I had a basic account, but if you have if you upgrade to the advanced account, you can actually upload videos into their video system, and you can use those same videos on your splash pages. It also has hosting. It also has a WordPress site builder. It has a lot. I'm just gonna say that. So I just wanted to share this with you too, because again, now this one I'm going to be transparent. I do get paid for referring this particular product. The other two products I did not get paid for. Do not get paid for showing you how to use Bitly. I do not get paid for showing you how to get a URL code. So not URL code, a QR code. So again, remember I was talking about the QR code even for this. See? So this is G-Lynn. So I hope I helped you find the money. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and do me a favor and press that like button.